SpaceX's Mars rocket Starhopper completes 150-meter test. Elon Musk's Starhopper has taken another major step toward reality. The prototype ship blasted off from the Boca Chica, Texas test site on Tuesday evening just after 5 p.m. local time for its 150-meter untethered flight test. While it was at first enshrouded in smoke and flames, the water tower-shaped vehicle emerged moments later to be seen rising high above the ground without any obstructions to the view. The successful test comes after SpaceX was forced to abandon its attempt on Monday to allow for a last-minute inspection of the craft's igniters. Musk tweeted his congratulations to the SpaceX team not long after Tuesday's achievement wrapped up. SpaceX was given FAA approval to conduct its test as soon as Monday, according to NASA spaceflight, though it ultimately pushed the flight back a day to make sure all was in order. Ahead of the test, locals were warned that windows could shatter as a result of any malfunctions. Due to the ferocity of Starhopper's methane-powered Raptor engine, nearby residents were asked to either temporarily relocate to a different area, or go outside briefly during the test to avoid being inside for an overpressure event. Tuesday's test marks its biggest milestone yet. Starhopper, a squat and strikingly large ship, took its first untethered height earlier this summer, when it hovered 65 feet off the ground. Following the successful test, Starhopper will transition into a vertical test of SpaceX's Raptor engines, and eventually even larger prototypes of Musk's coveted Starship craft, according to NASA spaceflight. Starhopper is the test vehicle for SpaceX's ultimate goal of developing a sleeker craft called the Starship, which Musk hopes will eventually take human passengers on a number of missions into space. Just a few miles away from Starhopper's test site, SpaceX employees have been hard at work building the next prototype of the craft, the Mk-1, which will eventually attempt to achieve longer journeys into the air. Musk said in July that the Mk-1 could take flight within the next 2 to 3 months, and aims to conduct a flight as far as 20 to 30 kilometers later this year. A concurrent team in Florida is also in the midst of building a similar Mk-2 with a different design and specs. The two teams are competing and collaborating in an effort to accelerate the future ship's development. Ultimately, Musk hopes that the company's Starship could help humans reach Mars for the first time, and has set an optimistic timeline for when the experimental craft might be able to do so. The first crewed Red Planet mission for the rocket and 100-passenger Starship could come as early as the mid-2020 if development and testing go well, Musk has said. Additional missions may even include tourists' trips to the Moon by 2024, according to the CEO. Completing a successful mission to the Moon would also mark an incremental step in Musk's other vision of traveling to Mars.